Welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, a rectangular plank root 10 meter wide is placed symmetrically along the diagonal of a square of side 10 meters as shown in the figure. Then the area of the plank is. So now first let us label our diagram. So let us label the square as A, B, C and D, the plank as E, F, G, H, and these are intersection points as P and Q. Now triangle AFP is congruent to triangle AEP. So triangle AFP is congruent to triangle AEP. Let AE is equal to AF is equal to X. Therefore, x squared plus x squared is equal to 10, or 2x squared is equal to 10, or x squared is equal to 5. So x is equal to root 5. Similarly, GC is equal to CH is equal to root 5 meters. Now EB is equal to BG is equal to 10 minus root 5 meters. Therefore, 10 minus root 5 squared plus 10 minus root 5 squared is equal to EG squared, and from here we get EG is equal to root 2 into 10 minus root 5 meters. Therefore, area of plank is equal to root 10 into root 2 10 minus root 5, that is equal to 10 into root 20 minus 1 square meters. Therefore, the correct option is option A. The next question is, Somesh, Tarun and Nikhil completed a work separately in 45, 60 and 75 days. So Somesh took 45 days, Tarun 60 and Nikhil 75 days. They started the work together but Nikhil left after 5 days of start and Somesh left 2 days before the completion of the work. In how many days will the work be completed? So let the work be completed in X days. Then 5 by 75 plus x minus 2 by 45 plus x by 60 is equal to 1. And from here we get 60 plus 20x minus 40 plus 15x by 900 equal to 1, and 35x is equal to 880. From here we get x is equal to 25, 1 by 7. So the correct option is option A.